Recording.
Water. Oh God, Grandma got me.
Huh? Got a what? Woo! Left, right, center. That's a stinky one back there.
Some dude went smoking that way. Did you die?
I'm there.
All right.
Oh, what's that? Is this two-way? Which way? Some guy just turned around and went back the other way on the Sapphire Road.
Yeah, that's always discomforting. That's against the law. God, two-way traffic be cool.
Really?
Yep.
Shit. Like no tape or anything?
Hang to the right in the water.
All right.
Yeah.
Man,
Where we at here?
I don't know. Are you still on that funky sticky shit everywhere?
Did you just blow by it? No, I'm down here.
Okay. Let me turn around.
There's a little shortcut right there. That's what I did.
Hey. I'm following this Clay River here.
I'm a little off. Oh, I found it.
But I guess Kyle was behind us the whole time. I've been trying to catch him.
Hey, wait a minute. Where,
I thought you was in front of me, and I've been trying to catch you.
I've been working hard to catch you guys.
Oh, man.
Jeff,
Chris, where are you going?
hang on. I'm trying to get back. I'm trying not to ride the shit.
You're going to ride shit regardless.
Oh, man. Where are you?
Look to your left, hard left.
Oh, that left.
All the cool dudes with white helmets.
That left. Okay.
Cool dudes.
Radio then?
What's up? Wasn't that awesome? Yeah.
You
Me buddy with you?
You can't make this shit up.
I just want to ride, man. I just want to ride, man.
All right. Everybody
Hey,
good?
I'm chasing Justin down. He's going to try to find Chad.
Chad went back to the truck.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he broke down.
Well, good Lord. I waited for him forever. That's good news.
How am I hearing you now?
I don't know. I got hooked up to the Matrix, man.
I'm connected.
You pulled Kyle in somehow, though.
I connected him. And now.
Oh my God! Oh, I just dropped my damn goggles.
I'm the glue.
Icky.
I'm the glue, Jeff.
Don't be flying down this hill, no
Oh, I ran over him. God dang it! Shit. It don't matter. They're already trashed. Broke the winds.
I've got extras at the.
I do too. It's just I don't like riding without goggles.
Well.
See, I thought Kyle was in front of us the whole time, so I started chasing him, and like, God, he is gone.
I came upon him, Justin, and Ben Bo waiting for
Chad.
Chad.
Which was in vain.
Yeah.